One of the most popular and profitable incomes right now is drop shipping. But what a lot of people struggle with is getting new customers to their store. So in this video, I'm going to go over how you can build up a successful email list for your drop shipping store and have new and returning customers. So let's just jump straight into it. Okay, let's first look at why build an email list in the first place. How does an email list benefit you for your drop shipping store? The first way, it allows you to have a one-on-one conversation with your customers, unlike social media platforms where you're fighting for their attention. With an email list, you send it straight to their inbox, so no matter where they're at, they're going to get a notification from you that you sent them an email list. So if you post or anything on Instagram or TikTok or somewhere, there's a good chance they might miss your post. But if it's just an email straight to their phone, there's a greater chance they'll be able to see that email. They might read it, and whatever product or anything that you have linked to it, there's a greater chance for them to see it. The second benefit is you can't get banned. Like on Facebook, let's say you're doing Facebook ads or TikTok ads, and Facebook, you know, if you've been doing drop shipping for any amount of time, you know Facebook can randomly ban your account for no reason, really messing with your profits and your business, which can be very frustrating. But with an email list, you own that email list, so no one's able to ban you from it. So you basically own that platform. And third, building an email list is very flexible. Not only can you link them to your product, you can do discounts, you can create a blog from it, you can do a lot of different things around your email list to make it more enticing to customers and for people to sign up to. So with an email list, it gives you a wide range of different ways that you can make money from it within your dropshipping store. And the fourth way, and one of my favorites, with an email list, you can automate it. So let's say someone signs up to your email list, it'll be an automated system that you can make on your own, or however you want to make it. Let's say you set up different emails that eventually leads to your product. So this means it can be a welcome email that leads them into an email that's explaining your product and all the benefits from it, and then the next email after that can be your product where they are taken to so they can purchase the product, and you don't have to do a thing except set it up. So once anyone signs up for your email list, you can definitely automate it to take them through the steps where they can learn about your product, the benefits of it, and then eventually buy it. And now let's look at a couple of great email services that you can sign up for. The first one is the one I use, and this is ConvertKit. ConvertKit has a lot of different benefits to their platform, so let's look at a couple of them. The first is landing pages, where someone comes to after they click on your link coming from your social media platform, wherever they came from, and they'll be put on this page where they can put in their first name, their email address, and then boom, they're in your email list that easy. So let's look at this demo real quick. As you can see, it's that easy for someone to sign up for your email list. You put in the name, they put in the email address, and this question won't be here obviously, but then boom, you hit subscribe and they'll be in. And this is an amazing looking landing page that you can use. They have a lot of different ones that you can use, and for up to 300 subscribers, it's completely free to use. So once you hit 301, then you'll have to pay. But what's amazing is you can try out, see if you like email lists for drop shipping, see if you want to build it up, or if it's not for you, okay. But I love how you can try it out for $0 for completely free. And they offer the main features like landing pages, landing forms, broadcasts, and be able to sell your digital product straight from here on their free plan as well. And the next email provider is MailChimp. MailChimp is another top platform that you can use. They have a lot of amazing features as well. You can scale with AI analytics to track your analytics and see how many people are signing up. And what I like, a feature I love about this is they have integration. So let's say you were selling this lamp right here and you wanted to just integrate it, and once somebody click on it, they'll be taken to the page where they can buy it. You can do that, which is actually amazing. And like with ConvertKit, they have automations as well to automate your process, to set it up so you are able to take your customers through all the pages without you even having to send a single email out. And like with ConvertKit, they have a free plan as well, but theirs go up to 500 subscribers, which is amazing as well. And then after that, you got to pay around $13 to get more subscribers once you exceed 500. So hopefully once you get over 500 subscribers, you be making at least $13 from your email list, because that's a lot of people. 500 people in your email list should be all customers, so you should be making a profit way more than $13. So it will pay for itself once you hit that 500 mark. Okay, now that we looked at a couple of email providers, you need to know how to get people to your email list now, because it's not easy a lot of the times, and it does take time to build it up as well. And the one way that you can build an email list is using discounts. So let's say on your website or your social media, however you're marketing your product, you were like, hey, if you sign up to the email list, you'll get 10% discount, 15% discount. I'm sure you've seen a lot of businesses do this. You know, if you sign up to our email list, you get a 10% off. The reason they do this is, let's say once you sign up, you get your 10% discount, but now you're in their email list, so they're able to send you emails whenever they want now, let's say a couple of times a week or however many times they send it, and you see another product like a month later that you want. Because you're in that email list, they're able to keep marketing to you, so you're a returning customer just by being in the email list. That's how a lot of businesses do it when it comes to email lists. That's how they rope you in with that 10% discount. Now you're in their email list forever unless you unsubscribe. Another popular way to get people to your email list is by using an ebook. When you create an ebook, let's say you're in a cleaning space, tech space, whatever space you're in, you create an ebook explaining either your product or explaining like how to do different cleaning routines or something along them lines. It's just explaining something to somebody, offering information that be beneficial to them. And once they sign up to your email list, they get that free ebook. Same as the discount. Once they sign up and get their ebook, they're in your email list forever now, or until they unsubscribe. And the third way to get people to your email list is by just growing a social media account and just having a link to your email list in your bio. So let's say you're making content on TikTok or Facebook, wherever it's at, and you're building a pretty decent following. Let's say you've built up 10K followers and you had your email list like in your bio, and let's say 1,000 of them clicked on the email list and 500 signed up. Just that easy, just by growing up an audience on a social media platform, you're able to grow up your email service as well. Because if you have it in the bio, people will see it, they'll come to your email list and be like, hey, I might want to be in here, and they'll sign up as well. Now you're able to send them emails to your product / your dropshipping store as well now. Okay, once you start building an email list, let's say you got 50, 100, 200, or even 500 people on your email list now, you need to be active. If you're just sending out one email every month or every couple months, people are going to look and be like, who the heck is this, and they probably will unsubscribe, and you won't have an engaged audience. What you need to do is be sending out 2, max 3 emails per week. You don't want to spam their inbox and annoy them, so I would say at max 3 emails a week, unless you have a strategy plan or anything of the sort. But I would say stick to the max 3 emails per week, every other day basically. And don't always just send, hey, buy my product. If you're in a cleaning space, send out some cleaning tips to your audience. Or if you are in the cooking space, send out cooking tips to your audience. You can look it up on Google or whatever you want to do if you don't know much about your space, but you're selling a product related to it. But just make sure you're sending them valuable information from time to time. They want information that benefits them, and if you can, squeeze in your product, be like, this is a great cooking tip and this method right here is amazing, and if you buy this product, which is your product that you're linking in now, they'll be more likely to buy it because it's going to help them out with the recipe that you just sent them. These are the basic blocks of building an email list, but be warned, it does take time to build up an email list. It took me around half a year, 6 months to build up just 1,000 followers on my email list, and I paired it with social media, so I grew up an audience on social media. So it's very, very, very helpful when you pair it up with a plan on how you're going to get people to your email list. So just make sure you don't skip over any of these steps, and I'll guarantee you'll be having a successful email list in no time. All right, and that right there is how you build an email list for dropshipping. I hope you're able to build a successful email list for dropshipping, because it can definitely help you get customers and returning customers to your store and build up a following that really trusts you. So I wish you luck in your journey with dropshipping. Until next time.